Ever heard of a bank that fits in your pocket? Imagine this: you're on a trip to a new city, basking in the foreign atmosphere, when hunger pangs hit. You find this amazing local food stall, but there's a tiny snag: they only accept cards. Looks like those delicious treats are slipping away. Hold on, what if there was a way to avoid such situations altogether? What if your bank wasn't confined to a physical building, but existed conveniently on your phone? Well, that's the magic of challenger banks like Monese. But with so many new financial options popping up, a simple question might arise: does Monese even have a debit card? The short answer? Absolutely. But there's a bit more to unpack here. So, buckle up and let's dive into the world of Monese debit cards. Monese Cards, a global citizen's companion. Monese offers a debit card alongside their online banking platform. This little card becomes your key to unlocking the world of digital finance. Imagine making payments, withdrawing cash, and managing your money, all from a sleek piece of plastic that fits right in your wallet. Pretty cool, right? Types of Monese cards. Now, depending on your Monese account type, you might have a slightly different card option. Here's a breakdown of the two most common ones. Basic Monese card. Free. This card is your gateway to the Monese experience. It allows you to make free payments online and in-store anywhere that accepts MasterCard debit cards. You can also withdraw cash from ATMs, but there are some fees involved which we'll discuss in a bit. Monese Plus Card, €5 per month. This premium card offers all the benefits of the basic card, plus some exciting perks. Enjoy free ATM withdrawals abroad, preferential currency exchange rates, and travel insurance, all for a small monthly fee. Using your Monese card, a seamless experience. Using your Monese card is a breeze. Once you activate it through the app, you can start making contactless payments or swiping it at any compatible terminal. The app also lets you easily manage your PIN, freeze the card if you misplace it, and even set spending limits for better control over your finances. Monese ATM withdrawals, understanding the fees. As mentioned earlier, free ATM withdrawals are limited with the basic Monese card. There's a free withdrawal allowance each month, but exceeding that will incur a small fee. The Plus card eliminates these fees entirely, making it ideal for frequent travelers. Security matters, keeping your Monese card safe. Monese prioritizes security. Their cards are equipped with chip and PIN technology, and you can enable additional security features like 3D Secure for online transactions. The app also allows you to monitor your transactions in real time and receive instant notifications for any suspicious activity. So, does Monese have a card? A resounding yes. Monese offers debit cards that are perfect for anyone who wants a convenient and secure way to manage their finances. Whether you're a globetrotter or someone who prefers the comfort of online banking, there's a Monese card that caters to your needs. Monese debit cards are a game changer for those who value flexibility and control over their money. With their user-friendly app and various card options, Monese makes managing your finances a breeze. So, if you're looking for a challenger bank that keeps up with your digital lifestyle, Monese might be the perfect fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.